chiropractor. You need an exorcist.
Hey, when that happens.
I haven't even met you yet, and I'm gonna pay your closing costs.
I'm talking competitive interest rates, quality build, and amazing warranties. The details are in the caption.
My budget is tight as those pants.
Built like a mother of five.
Don't listen to the haters. You should go tighter, a smaller size.
Me listening to my intrusive thoughts?
It doesn't seem to be the first time she has done that.
She chose to be happy.
What time is it? Well, whatever.
Finally, someone is covering the hard-hitting news.
Okay, please keep us updated.
Bro, I think she likes you.
She was like, now you know how it feels.
Liver King punching the air right now.
Tinfoil in the microwave is a nice touch.
I am blocking you for this one.
Hey, will you? Let me break it down.
He broke it down while she broke down.
He realized he forgot the ring in his non-breaking pants.
Mira, la dulce princesa, exclamó.
The man already knows the kid's name.
Books flights to Sweden now.
Propaganda I am 100% falling for.
Finally, floating, I understand.
Be careful that may get you promoted to wife status.
Look, he's starting to think my girlfriend isn't girlfriending hard enough.
Well, he trusted you with the polls.
Girlfriend, I am deeply disappointed.
EF equals Greek, fanboy.
It's time, new Romans.
Is this the sex everybody talking about?
Strip club type of car.
Death Note. I have the most powerful book, more than Death Note.
Yeah, really?
Yes, this
Who's
one.
better?
One book kills people. The other one creates people.
Risk 50%. Confidence 100%.
That's going to write her name in on the page.
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4.
You better buy him a good dinner.
Bro got her fake ring and had planned to drop it, but then his friend.
Bro has the right short for the occasion.
Buy one, get one car.
Car reveal. Car reveal.
Bro opened up his closet for her.
Bro went back to default settings.
Straight panic.
Just popped up on my feed. Did I just get summoned?
You're gonna summon a tornado.
I see the issue here. You have the Unida Sabola Gringo Tacos and Cilantro Street Tacos.
You already know how to make money. You're just scared of the police.
I am not scared of the police. I am scared of prison.
How can you have a boyfriend and not send him money? Do you really love him?
This lady is going to heaven. God bless her.
The word is enough for the wise.
Brother, we have another recruit. We need 100 soldiers for protection.
The more I try to understand women, the more closer I get to insanity.
Sorry, won't touch the menu again.
And we count this as cheating.
She is just being nice.
Unless I hear her say it, I ain't catching it.
Sorry we are late, boss. You will never believe what we saw coming into work today.
Someone's grandma is gonna think this is real.
I have seen video games with better graphics.
Girls, go to bathroom.
You can ask the flowers. I sit for hours.
I hope she is fine. I mean, where are the glitters?
She could throw, man. She could throw.
Dinner will be in 20 minutes, honey.
You either wife her or file a restraining order. No in between.
You have been more pregnant than I have been alive.
Condoms that expensive.
Is being pregnant your full-time job?
It seems hungry. Feed it a soul.
Biblically accurate, Labubu.
Labubu. Lavo-do.
They love drama, but will block you instead.
You, that's mean.
The rat from Ratatouille would have loved this.
Me when I leave Costco with a whole rotisserie chicken in my hair.
Give me that one chick who like.
You buy chocolate.
Someone's undiagnosed daughter.
Me when I am soaking in the milk charcoal, hey, bath of Wincy and laughter.
The unfortunate reality for middle-aged Korean men, lol.
North Korea has been pretty quiet since this video.
Please view the attack documents.
Best regrets.
Thanks for your massage.
Never been rejected by a man like this.
Okay, but drop the hair care routine.
We might take you to jail first.
Why everything's swimming?
Divorce possible before marriage? I am asking for a friend.
Both downgraded miserably.
Just two dudes chilling.
Now wait a minute.
I think you're okay. Hi. You can?
What color was the bird, guys?
Nice view above the mountains for the little bird.
Nice birds.